Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros dough. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of butter. Also, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 large egg ready. Make sure you have a piping bag fitted with a star tip, approximately 1/2 inch wide, for shaping your churros later. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of butter. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir occasionally until the butter completely melts and the mixture comes to a rolling boil. This step is crucial for creating the right consistency for our dough, so don't rush it. Once your liquid mixture is boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Add the 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir very vigorously with a wooden spoon. Keep mixing until the dough comes together and forms a cohesive ball. Continue stirring for another minute or two, ensuring the dough pulls cleanly away from the sides of the pan. This process cooks the flour and develops the dough's structure. Finally, let's finish our churros dough. Allow the dough to cool slightly for about 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents the egg from cooking prematurely. Then, add your 1 large egg to the dough. Beat the egg into the dough vigorously until it is fully incorporated and the dough becomes smooth, glossy, and sticky. Your churros dough is now ready for piping and frying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.